Lemons are a type of citrus fruit that are typically round, bright yellow, and have a sour taste. They are rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, and other antioxidants. Here are 30 potential benefits of lemons. Boosts the immune system. Lemons are high in vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining a healthy immune system. Please subscribe for more health videos. Aids in digestion. Lemons contain enzymes that help to break down food and stimulate the production of bile, which is necessary for proper digestion. Reduces inflammation. Lemons contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help to reduce inflammation in the body. Aids in weight loss. Lemons are low in calories and can help to curb appetite, making them a useful tool for weight loss. Improves skin health. The high vitamin C content in lemons can help to improve the health and appearance of the skin. Reduces the risk of cancer. Lemons contain compounds that may help to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Aids in respiratory health. Lemons may help to relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Improves oral health. Lemons contain antibacterial properties that may help to improve oral health by fighting off bad breath and tooth decay. Improves iron absorption. Lemons may help to improve the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, making them especially beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. Helps to relieve stress. Lemons have a calming effect on the body and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Improves heart health. Lemons may help to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Aids in kidney function. Lemons may help to improve kidney function and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Helps to prevent anemia. The high vitamin C content in lemons can help to improve the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, which can help to prevent anemia. Improves liver function. Lemons may help to improve liver function and reduce the risk of liver disease. Aids in digestion. Lemons can help to stimulate the production of bile, which is necessary for proper digestion. Reduces fever. Lemons have a cooling effect on the body and can help to reduce fever. Improves hair health. Lemons may help to improve the health and appearance of hair by reducing dandruff and promoting hair growth. Reduces the risk of stroke. Lemons may help to reduce the risk of stroke by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Aids in wound healing. Lemons may help to speed up the healing of wounds by promoting the formation of collagen. Improves mental health. Lemons have a calming effect on the body and can help to improve mental health by reducing stress and anxiety. Aids in the treatment of respiratory conditions. Lemons may help to relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. Improves vision health. Lemons contain antioxidants that may help to protect the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Lemons may help to reduce the risk of osteoporosis by improving the absorption of calcium from plant-based foods. Aids in the treatment of skin conditions. Lemons may help to relieve symptoms of skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. Helps to relieve pain. Lemons contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help to reduce pain and discomfort. Improves bone health. Lemons may help to improve bone health by increasing the absorption of calcium and other minerals. Aids in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Lemons may help to reduce the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis by reducing inflammation. Improves blood circulation. Lemons may help to improve blood circulation by reducing the thickness of the blood. Aids in the treatment of urinary tract infections. Lemons may help to fight off bacteria that cause urinary tract infections. Helps to balance pH levels. Lemons are alkalizing and can help to balance the pH levels in the body, which can improve overall health. In conclusion, lemons are a nutrient-dense fruit that can provide a wide range of health benefits. They are particularly high in vitamin C, flavonoids, and other antioxidants, which can help to boost the immune system, improve skin health, and reduce inflammation. Lemons may also aid in weight loss, improve oral health, and improve iron absorption. However, it's important to remember that consuming lemons in excessive quantities may cause tooth enamel erosion and stomach irritation. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating lemon in your diet or as a treatment for any specific condition. Thanks for watching.